You're looking at the RealTruck Nerf Step RS. Today, we're going to install them on our 2024 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. Your truck may vary slightly, so keep that in mind. Now, let's get started. Right out of the box, identify which bar is the driver's side and which is passengers. Keep in mind, the N with 2 brackets should go toward the front. Next, loosely attach the brackets to the welded tabs on the tube. Using the mounting brackets for reference, locate the existing mounting holes along your truck's rocker panel. They may have plugs installed to protect the threads, so just pry them out. Install U-clips into each of the large holes. The flat side faces out with the threaded portion aligned with the smaller holes. With the help of a friend, raise the steps into position and hold in place with the included bolts, but don't tighten yet. Starting with the rear bracket, adjust the step for a tight fit to the body and tighten the bolts. Then, repeat for the other brackets. Firmly tighten the bolts that secure the brackets to the tube. Now, repeat for the other side. And that's it. You're done. RealTruck. Real simple.